Hey everybody, my wife got me for Christmas this cool little HO engine that's, it's a Santa Fe. I think it's a model of a, what is it? Yep, GP40. It's DCC equipped. And I'm gonna go take it out, run it around the track first time. Awesome. Man, this train set needs some cleanup. Let's see. Open it up. Fish tank's a little noisy. Sorry about that. Let's see. Aha. Okay, so this flips up and the engine comes out. All-wheel drive. Perfect for my Western setup here. Let's find out what DCC number is assigned to this engine. So I'm going to put it on the programming track. And then I'm going to come on over and say menu, quick decoder setup. I'm going to do a data read. Now the engine moves slightly to let you know it's talking. Oh, 3. They've got it set up to 3. Now I've got a different train that's 3. So let me set this one to 8 since it ends in 08 on the art here. Alright, I'm going to select. I'm going to do data, and I'm going to do 0, 0, 8. And I'm going to write that to the train. Now I'm going to do another read and make sure it took. Yep, and there it is right there. The 82 short address is 8. So now I should be able to control it as train engine number 8. Let's see. Train 8. Let's go forward. Nice. Backwards. Switch. With DCC, it kind of, when you reverse things, it's just sending in a command to go backwards. So it doesn't actually just thrash the gears. It slows down, stops, and then changes direction. Oh. couple things to note on this guy. It doesn't have sound like some of the slightly more expensive engines. So you can't blow the horns or set the bell or something like that. The motor's a little bit loud, a little bit louder than maybe the next tier. And otherwise it's pretty good. The DCC control is quick. I can tell it to stop, reverse, speed up. It responds quickly. This is very cool. Thanks, wifey.